Is Spaceship a good platform if you're new to investing? That's what we're digging into today. Starting your investment journey can feel overwhelming. There are so many apps and options. Spaceship is an Australian-based micro-investing platform that aims to make it easy. But easy doesn't always mean best for beginners. So, what are the upsides? Spaceship is built around simplicity. There's a very low minimum investment, sometimes as little as $1, which removes a huge barrier for new investors. You don't need a large chunk of cash to get started. The app is also known for being very user-friendly and intuitive. Crucially, you don't have to pick individual stocks. Spaceship offers managed funds, like the Universe, Origin, and Earth portfolios. These funds are pre-built and diversified, which is generally a smart move when you're starting out. They also allow you to set up recurring investments, a great habit for dollar-cost averaging. However, there are a few important caveats. Spaceship's portfolios, especially the popular Universe Fund, have historically been heavily weighted towards the tech sector. This can mean higher growth potential, but also higher risk and volatility. Beginners need to understand that their money could go down significantly when the tech market struggles. Secondly, let's talk fees. They have a flat monthly fee for balances over a certain amount, plus management fees that vary by fund. Depending on how much you invest, this structure might be more expensive than some low-cost index funds or ETFs on other brokerage platforms. The final verdict? Spaceship is an excellent, simple entry point for new investors to build a good habit of regular investing and get comfortable with the process. But it's not a set and forget for life. As your portfolio grows, it's wise to review the fees and the concentration risk, and consider transitioning to broader, lower-cost index funds down the line. What's your biggest investing fear? Let us know in the comments. If this helped you, like and subscribe for more beginner investment breakdowns.